wagging tail or tiny purr. Good morning, friend. Hello there, sir. Ouch. Feeding time, it's breakfast time. 1, 2, 3, food for my pet and food for me. He wags his tail and spins around, happiest pet that can be found. My pet and me, we love to play. We laugh and run the whole day with tiny paws and hearts so free. Best friends forever, my pet and me. Let's go out and play. We chase the ball across the park. We jump and race till it gets dark. He runs so fast, I clap with glee. What a team, my pet and me. Caring and cleaning, brush the fur so soft and neat. Wash his paws and dry his feet. A gentle hug, a treat or two. That's how I say I love you. My pet and me, we love to play. We laugh and run the whole day with tiny paws and hearts so free. Best friends forever, my pet and me. Time to rest. When the sun sets, we slow down. No more games, no barking sound. He curls up close so peacefully, dreaming sweet with me beside thee. Learning together, my pet shows kindness every day. Helps me learn in his own way. Sharing love so endlessly, that's the bond. My pet and me. My pet and me, we sing and play. We love each other every day with happy hearts so wild and free. Forever friends, my pet and me.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.